I'm Marcus Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and the Mexican is getting excited over old cars.
Yeah, fuck you.
So we're in the junkyard because we might have found a motor for the 2-ton, and a seat for his project. But there's these old cars here too.
Decent steering. So you've been to a junkyard before when you know how to bet.
And drag the rest of the junkyard along with you.
Once upon a time, when everything was fine, stayed up partying all night, where the strobe lights flash bright. But now these times are over. Wish you stayed.
Hey man, just fill her up with regular.
Right?
She'll be on the road again.
Fuck yeah.
So,
for a camera to load.
we got his seat. Not a bad deal. 40 bucks?
40 bucks.
40 old big ones. For a decent seat, that's not bad at all. Yeah, 40 bucks. Couldn't get my engine because the guy's not here to load it up in the back of the truck, so there's no point in bolting it all. And yeah, sorry I didn't show the junkyard. It's a very short video of us getting a seat.
Yeah, I like the junkyards out by my place though. You strap a cherry picker to the back of this thing, drive right up, lift it, just unbolt it, lift it up, and then slide it back into the truck with the cherry picker still on and drive away. You look like stupid, but you gotta fix
Nice
an
little
engine.
kitty. You want that?
Sure.
You said pocket it. There you go.
Yeah.
But like, okay, you guys probably saw in here, there's a couple old cars in there that are hidden gems, because this is a modern car junkyard. So pretty much all your J bodies, which is also on the channel.
Yeah.
Come here, there's like 30 of them in here.
30 of them hidden. They're all good bones.
Yeah. Well, and you guys saw there's a couple good door skins for some of those 60s vehicles. The wind's probably making my microphone horrible. So yeah, I'll just right there. Bucks Auto Yard if you're a local guy.
Lights flash bright, but now these times are over. Wish you stayed a little longer. Memory in my head, I think of you when I'm laying in my bed, where you remind me of a time when things were better. When things were better. When things were better. Let's meet up with some friends as tonight begins. Have a chat and a drink or two. Start to dance, let loose. But now these times are over. Wish you stayed a little longer. Memory in my head, I think of you when I'm laying in my bed, where you remind me of a time when things were better. When things were better. Once upon a time, when everything was fine, stayed up partying all night, where the night. But now these times are over. Wish you stayed a little longer. Memory in my head, I think of you when I'm laying in my bed, where you remind me of a time when things were better. When things were better. When things were better. Let's meet up with some friends as the night begins. Have a chat and a drink or two. Start to dance, let loose. But now these times are over. Wish you stayed a little longer. Memory in my head, I think of you when I'm laying in my bed, where you remind me of a time when things were better.
So seat in the Mexican's old Dodge to the Mexican's car.
Chevy Belair.
Yep.
4-door sedan. Tree on the tree.
All the doors open, which is weird because nothing normally opens for you, right?
The rear window cranks don't really work. They're stiff as hell.
A little bit of greasing.
Oh, yeah. Better than this one.
Well, because how many times have you played with it?
Still fucking works. The locks work too. Put the lock down.
I'm just showing the car, you know.
You'd think it'd be a straight 6, but no. I could beat a Ford Focus.
Yeah,
You wanted that damn engine.
I know.
No load operator on freaking Sundays.
You got a little bit of rocker repair there. I don't know, do you want to disclose how much you spent on this beauty?
$400.
Oh,
400
which
bucks.
is actually a pretty good deal.
Well,
No.
440 now because of the seat.
Yeah. Pretty good deal. You know, just keep your 6 dead bodies in here.
Right?
You have the covers.
Yeah. I just don't
You
have
just need the
the,
lights.
I don't have the inside lay that holds the light in place.
I got
just
a couple, actually.
I just gotta.
Does it have a date stamped on the bottom, or I have no idea how old that is?
30-1980.
It's probably, so 3.
Really old. And look at this. This chrome piece is what I need.
Yeah, I think it's different.
No, is it?
Oh, and then also this cool little fuel pump. Pretty sure it's different. I'm pretty sure the ones you have, though, I have them at home. So I get this is a weird video, but we're gonna call it an end because we got the seat. It's now in the Belair.